Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Natanjit Sahu. I'm an India Book of Records Awardee and International Book of Records Awardee. I'm the author of the book The Last Exam and The Living Heritage. So today I got felicitated from the National Academy of Shakyota Mission with the National Excellency Award for being the best youngest author. So I am thankful to the organizers. So let me speak some few words on my book. So I wrote the book The Last Exam. So this is a book that basically focuses on the examination of UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, Civil Services Examination. So as I have dreamt of being an IAS officer, my dream is to achieve the UPSC exam. So I wrote a few strategies, some scientifically proven strategies on how to achieve that exam, because as we see a lot of people, they're running behind this exam, but a very few percentage of them, 0.002% of them are getting this, because the scope is highly demanding, because anyone with a graduation degree can just give this examination. All of them are trying this. So my book especially focuses on scientifically proven techniques like Pomodoro technique, or from starting from Pomodoro technique to the FOMO. It will give you experience of all those things, and it also explores the addiction of mobile phone. So in my book, I have termed your mobile phones as a sweet poison, because when you start scrolling reels, there is a chemical known as dopamine that releases. So that is the only thing that traps you within the cage of your mobile phone. So your mobile phone feels sweet, but it's a poison, because it wastes your time. So so when money goes away, when money is wasted, you can earn it back, but once time is wasted, you can never earn it back. So utilize your time. This is my sincere request. When you are trying to do something big, there is a saying called Ad Astra. It basically means to the stars, dream big, achieve big, and dream higher. So when you are dreaming something big, dreaming something high, so you all are having that potential to achieve something. Just give your best and follow some simple methods as I have prescribed in my book. I will sincerely recommend it to you. If you like it, you can also review it on Goodreads. Thank you.